Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and begin page 363. You're going to need two things. You're going to need a writing utensil and a highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and start from the top. It says problem solving. Count on to find the total value. So the key that we're doing now is counting on. So counting on is the easiest way to count or find the total value of coins because you get to add as you go. So what we're going to do to help us out is we are going to label. So before I label, I'm studying all of my coins on number 4, and I noticed that they're quarters. And I know that they're quarters because I see the face of George Washington on both of these. And on the back right here, I see the eagle, and it says $quarter. And then I see Arizona, and Arizona is the name of one of the 50 states. So I know that that's all quarters. Now, I also know from experience that 4 quarters equal $1 because we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So I automatically know that. And I don't want you to just come over here and just say, ooh, $1. I'm just going to write the dollar because I know that that's the answer. I want you to show your work. I want you to start off by labeling. So we know that a quarter is basically 25 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and write 25 on top of all of the quarters. And I'm going to show my work to prove that I'm counting on. So I have 25. I'm going to go ahead and write that. Plus another 25 is 50. Plus another 25 is 75. Plus another 25 is 100. So basically the total value is 100 cents. 100 cents is equivalent to $1. So 100 pennies equals $1. Okay, so let's look at number 5. Let's study it first. Okay, I know that I see the back of some coins here. So let me figure those out. This is a quarter because it says New Mexico, and New Mexico is the name of one of the 50 states. I know that this is the back of a dime because it says 1 dime. I know that this is the back of a nickel because right here it says 5 cents. So now I'm ready to label. A quarter is 25. A dime is 10. A nickel is 5. Okay, so are y'all ready? We're going to go ahead and start off with our 25 cents. Plus another 25 is 50 cents. Plus a 10 is 60. Plus 10 is 70. Plus 5 is 75. Plus 5 is 80. So my answer is 80 cents. Now that we wrote 80 cents, go ahead and write it with the dollar sign. So I'm going to start off by writing the dollar sign, and I have $0, but I do have 80 cents. So let's look at number 6. Step 1 is to study the back of the coins because you want to make sure you do not get confused with looking at the back of the coins. So I noticed right off the back we see Texas. Woo! And we know that Texas is the state that we actually live in. So that has to be a quarter. Right here, I hope you all noticed the 5 cents. So that's a nickel. Right here on the back of this, I noticed it says 1 cent. So it is a penny. So I'm going to start off by labeling. I'm going to start off by getting ready to count on. I'm going to start off with 25 cents. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. Plus 1 is 38. So my answer is 38 cents. Now I want you to write it with the dollar sign. So I have $0 and I have 38 cents. Now let's look at the higher order thinking skill questions. Number 7. Ed's coin has the same value as a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. What is his coin? Strategy number 1, underline the question. What is his coin? So he only has 1 coin. I wonder what it is. So let's investigate. He has a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. If we have 5 pennies, why don't we let P stands for pennies? And we know that a penny is worth 1 cent. We know that if we count on, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that group of 5 pennies is only equal to 5 cents. Now, let's see how much 4 nickels is. If I have 4 nickels, I'm going to let N be the variable for nickels. You get it? Nickels begin with an N, pennies begin with the P. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. So that means I'm going to count by 5s. So that would be 5, 10, 15, 20. So he has a coin which is the same value as a group of 5 pennies, which a group of 5 pennies is really 5 cents, and the group of 4 nickels is really 20 cents. Well, that makes me wonder, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25 cents in all. So what coin has the value of 25? What coin is worth 25 cents? And that would be a quarter. What is his coin? His coin is a quarter. Period. So that is the answer. Be sure you write your answer in a complete sentence. Number 8, multi-step. Jenny has 2 groups of coins. Up, right there. They wrote out the number 2. Don't forget to circle it and write the number 2 at the top. Remember, that's how they get you. Sometimes they use numbers in word form. Jenny has 2 groups of coins. So she has 2 groups. Each group, when they say each, they mean 1. So each group has a total of 51 cents. That means that one group have a total of 51 cents and then the other group have a total of 51 cents. Okay? So when they say each group, they mean one group, but they mean each of them have the same amount. There is at least 1 quarter in each group. What coins could she have? You guys, your answers can vary. Okay? So when I say that, I mean that there's different ways you can get 51 cents. So, but we know that one of them have to have a quarter. I'm going to start with the obvious. One way is to have a quarter. Can I let Q stand for quarter? And I can have another quarter because 2 quarters equal 50 cents. 25 cents, 50 cents, and if I'm trying to get to 51 cents, all I need is a penny. So 2 quarters in a penny equals 51 cents. That's the way I would go. But there's different answers.